In France, there are various grants and subsidies available for renovations, particularly to support energy-saving measures. The main program is called Ma Prime Rénov, which provides financial assistance for renovations aimed at improving energy efficiency, such as insulation, heating system upgrades, and the installation of energy-efficient windows and doors. For more information, please visit the official website or contact the relevant advisor in your department. We recommend seeking professional advice for any specific questions or concerns. Another program is Eco-Renovation, Energy Retrofit, a government initiative that offers financial assistance to homeowners for energy-efficient renovations. This program includes tax deductions, grants and low-interest loans to help finance the cost of energy-efficient renovations. In addition, France provides grants and assistance for both primary and secondary residences to promote energy-efficient renovations. These incentives aim to support property owners in carrying out energy-saving renovation works. For the year 2022, an additional budget of €2 billion has been allocated for renovation grants, with the goal of helping citizens make their properties more energy efficient. It's important to note that while these grants are extensive, they are not intended to finance the complete renovation of a house. Instead, they focus on specific energy-efficient improvement works. Given the complexity and potential financial implications, it is advisable to seek advice from a tax specialist or legal expert when planning to work on your real estate in France. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more France-related content.